Good morning, I'm Dr. Jody Griffin. This time next week we'll be in Chicago at the Chicago Dental Society Midwinter Dental Meeting talking about Yomi, the first and only FDA approved robotic guided system for dental implants. Why use Yomi? We're excited to tell you how precise it is, how your patient benefits from the treatment, how your workflow becomes more efficient, how the restorative process is quicker and faster and easier for the patient because of the precision we're allowed to do with Yomi Robotics. It has absolutely revolutionized my practice. It has changed the way we do implants, it's changed the way we planned it, it's changed the way my referrals have accepted our implants. It's become just a fantastic addition to our practice. We look forward to telling you about it. We'll be again at Chicago Dental Society's Midwinter Meeting next Friday, February 22nd from 2 to 3. We look forward to seeing you. We look forward to talking to you about this wonderful disruptor in our industry. And I hope you will come see us and come loaded with a bunch of questions and learn as much as you can about Yomi. Thank you.